So I ordered from Olive Kollection for the first time, and I'm about to open it. Okay, I opened it. Packing slip. Okay. Ooh, I got samples. Propolis Light Ampoli by CosRx. Okay. And ooh. Oh, okay. Another second. Oh, cool. And two samples of Artless Glow Base with SPF 50. Interesting. Well, this is what I got. I was looking for something to help with my acne. Dang, this. Okay. CosRx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, 5.074 ounces. Okay. I was looking for something for my acne. So I got this, and then I got the CosRx AC Collection Lightweight Soothing Moisturizer. Yep, not bad for first time ordering from Olive Collection. Her TikTok is K Beauty Mom. Yeah. So yeah, not bad. Can't wait to use this and this today. So well, more so this. But